our last few minutes here in this house. Malakaw na mi. Bye.
Stop over kami.
Tulog hot chicken sandwich na solo. Hi guys, it's around 5:30 a.m. Wala ko ka-transition. Wait. Wow. Hi guys, it's almost 5:30 a.m. and breakfast kami along the road. We have 1 hour to go pa Toledo. But we believe in Yan. He can do it in 30 minutes. Yan is a very good driver.
Gabi gina-defend ko kay mami yan, nagdamit ka mag-drive. Yan yung mas namin ko na sa mag-drive kay daddy.
Look at the view. We are somewhere here. Somewhere there.
Vertical ka mo. Wala pa nag-start sa second floor.
Boom. What is this? We passed by a good bridge. Hapo, isang transition. Kung pwede ka rin na lang kuma-transition.
Is this Baguio?
Baguio! Gonna bet that dog! May waterfalls! Water clouds! Cloud falls! Shish! What the hell, man? Hello, my man! So today... Lapit tsura ba? Screen time! Long! Bye guys! See you again, maybe 5 minutes. Hello! Chika na sila aga pa. Oh, we're so close. So, wow. So, I'm on top clouds. Oh, see that? See that? Reaction video ni Juliana. What wow! Ako na yung feeling maging barbecue, guys. Baguio! Wait lang, I'll contribute to the clouds.
Ay, di po kasama na dito.
Guys, dito galing ng cloud. If gamangkot ka mo, may cloud.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Pasan mo dito. Meron ka na.
Sorry, Jel. Oh, what happened?
What happened, Bella?
Why it's black? So we're entering the rainforest. We're at the forest and it's raining, so we call it rainforest. So I'm new to this, guys. Yes, this is my first time holding a 360 cam. So we should 360 the cam. Yeah. That's Can you feel the wind today? Welcome to Toledo City. Ari kami subong sa barato, garantisado bago. Barato, garantisado bago. Abi ko lugar. Amo ni ang mga ginlakat ni Magellan nga lugar. Ano ka gago? Si mo malibot ka din. Ay, sorry. Joke lang, Lord. Jel, okay ka pa, Jel?
Okay pa.
Ako nga.
Sino nga dyan?
Okay lang na.
Okay ka lang?
Hallelujah, naka mo?
Okay lang siya, no? Pero okay ka gin man?
Mungi.
Pero okay ka gin man? Shish! Okay sila tanan. Bali, ari kami subong sa... Wagi ko yung kakita sa lugar kung ano ningalan niya. Tukan? Tupan. So, Loto pan? Loto sa pan? Loto pan Toledo. Ano yung sudan? Wow, sudan. Patindog man si Jello sa Aklan, Crispy Queen. So, tondo yun kay Juliana, Crispy Princess. Barangay Don Andres Soriano. Puta rin lawi ka barangay. So, aking fast. Juliana!
Yeah! Ka-chow! No! Ka-chow! Ka-chow!
Yan, going for 90. Going for higher. Going for 100. Yan, let's go! Yes! No! Hello, what's that?
Bomba! Bomba! Do a flip! Wee!
Ang
It's Baymax.
Hi, I'm don't know. We're at the port of so.
Ulo ko! Oh my God! The chair!
Dire?
It almost killed me!
Asan Coast Guard, sir? Coast Guard mo? Sige. Salamat.
That's how to avoid. So, bali makadto kami subong sa Coast Guard. Nag-avoid kami scam. Scam to guys. Mga mamo to.
Amo na to. Istampan lang. Say hi, Jerome.
Hi, Jello.
Hi, Yan. The fuck is that? Hi, I'm Sim. So, si ate, mujag na. Kami, mupulit pala. Sis, manual transition, pwede na mag-cut yan. Hello. Hello. Mo-process kami among ticket. They're so daghan dogs. We call them asa sa shop. I'm gonna buy something because I'm still hungry. Chicken. Finding Mountain Dew. I'm finding Mountain Dew. Dunamit to ako. My bake shop. Let's hope for Mountain Dew. Pila ang Mountain Dew?
I bought bread for everyone.
Ano yung maging bakal?
I bought Spanish bread and pimples. Do you want anything else?
Oh, I want Mountain Dew. So, wala kaming cash. It's a problem. So, I got my Mountain Dew. Say hi.
Hello!
So, where's Yan and Jerome? I lost them.
Hi guys, so right now we are here at Toledo Port. We are the girly pops nga nagpa-passenger princess lang for now kaya wala kami kabalo sang flows and everything.
Kasi may malantrip kita pa Manila.
Araw-araw.
This is Grizz and this is ice cream. Sorry, ginunat ko siya.
Together they are Ice Bear.
Oh, yeah, pwede. Grease cream tani ako ng balloon first niya.
It's 2 minutes kaya ganito na yan. Bye!
Oh,
nag-zoom.
nag-zoom. Oh,
It
how did that
zooms?
happen?
The fuck?
Dire oh? Maliso mo niya?
Wala I don't know how it zoomed. Julia! Where did it zoom?
Steve. Tsura ni Grease.
We are now pilahing. We'll see you magsod na mi sa barko. Bye! Hi guys!
Tagagwagulti.
We are on the way.
So, guys,
Nagpugo sa ulo ko.
you see those water? It's not safe. To be honest, mom is right. Somehow.
Yeah.
Seas are not safe.
Yes.
Oceans are not safe.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
Fish are not
There
safe.
are a lot of fish in the sea, but you are scared of sea.
Mayang bantag, ma'am.
Morning, sir.
Papasok na kami ngayon sa light ferry.
Bali mo isol tawd da.
Oh, I think yes.
Tumdalom ba?
Dara kami maisol sa dalo mo. Look at that minivan. Nakasulod kami sa 7:30. Yes. Can I get a woo? Woo! Sheesh! Oh, the view is nice. Paano?
Asa sir? Ah, yes sir.
Oh, the water is clear. Can I get a what? Bye guys. Hi guys, we're inside the Barku. Yes, Barku. Yay, let's go, let's go. How are you feeling, everyone?
May sa box ako.
I'm fine. Nabuli ni Jello. Hello.
Ah, kay Jerome ang ticket.
We have this. It's so cool.
We are entering the freezer.
Ara 21 did po kuya sa may. Ara 1920 din. Jel, you want here?
Nga naka 1.1 times na ako.
Kung nag-zoom in, hindi kami kabalo paano mag-zoom out.
I love to Juliana's bread shop.
Hoy, isang sirena. Dahil tanong sabihin nila ako ay ubod ng bigla.
This is me
Hindi, balik ang 40 mo. Wala kayo to 40 lang.
Port of San Carlos. Itong car. Let's go to the car. Waiting.
Ha?
Smoke mo, tulog mo. We're back and we're out.
Why?
So we're third to the last to go out. Sheesh.
Ara pa, may isa pa. Hindi ang ganda ng motor yan.
Oh no, Raider. Welcome to San Carlos.
Hindi na muna ka-enthusiastic yung motor. Survive ship 1.
Yay! We love surviving ship.
Okay, nandito na tayo sa Negros Island kung saan madaming
This is San Carlos City. Can I get a We're back and we're out. We're in and out. We're
Ano kapitoy?
we're out from the boat and in the sun. What the fuck?
Oh, guys, just woke up. Good night. Juliana wants to find Route 66 and meet
Mater.
McQueen. Ciao!
Ciao!
Jerome.
Oh my god.
Jerome is Pitoy. That's a thought. Yeah. XB.
May viewing.
Everybody just have a good time.
Cebu, amo ni dapat ang dalan.
Yes. Bring it on.
Oh, what the heck is yan? Yeah?
So guys, we're back.
So we are at the, I don't know where are we, pero appreciate the nature guys. So pataklad na kami guys. Let's go. That is the view. That chicken.
Do you like the view? You're my best.
Yawa nga view ka namin. Pangin. So, amon nga kalsada go so kulo go bilog nga ano sakyan.
Guro. Ano guro? Guro.
Hi guys, ari kami subong sa
It's just
DSB na taway pa. Excited. Pero nakaland na kami. Nakahugba. Dipota. Nakaabot na kami. Nakadock.
Let's go, the view is nice. Part 2 sang Akanon Vlogger ngayon sa Bacolod makaroon. Yeah, San Carlos kuno kami makaroon. Manami ya sa Negros guys kumpara sa Cebu. Sa Cebu grabe yung traffic biskan sa probinsyaon kami.
Hi guys, stop over because managpatay na si Juliana sa chair ni Jerome and need na siya i-adjust. So, nag-off na lang nga sa ilahon sa tubang ni Jello.
Bangko.
Sad boy chair
It's my dog!
Ay, bobo.
Ano plano na, Mundi? Mido?
Saka to saka.
Where is doggy?
Di puta, magsaka na sa gana eh.
Lakaw, Jello.
Ano mo yung ginatagulan niya?
Ang chindisi mo.
Kaya hi eh.
Ano daw, haye?
Ikaw din.
Second beer. Silso dako oten. What the fuck?
Bomba!
Shish.
R15. Ngayon sa sila eh.
Silay. T-Rex sound. Kamusta?
Nagpula na siya.
Far.
Uy, astig may namin ka water something.
Gayugan!
Wala siya galing yung ganyan.
Bomba!
What the fuck?
Ito, may waterfall. Hindi ko ata nakita isang ligaw nga
Busay.
busay. Ay, busay. Isang, whatever raptor that was.
Cafe KM41.
Kita sa Cafe Kilometer 41.
Sino may cash na?
I have cash. I have 100. Good evening.
May wifi for Gcash.
We are safe.
Bomba!
So guys, wala pa ko gali ka-inform kagina. Wala kabalo si mama nga mapuli ko subong. Pero ayon ako sa Don Salvador, mga more or less before 4 guro makapuli na kami.
There's water. It's me and my atheist friend.
Hail Holy Mary. Ano naman? Nalipad ko sa prayer.
Don't ask me. I don't do that prayer. Hail Mary, Mother of God. Ayun. Hi guys, so the Catholics came here to pray to Mary and me. I'm a Baptist and him, he's an atheist. I'm a Baptist. He's an atheist, and we have 3 Catholics. This is a fun friend group.
Namasaka ko sa station.
That
Balik niya ako.
the Baptist just wanted to experience things. Sorry.
Lagi na third person mo self mo. The Baptist just wanted to experience things.
The Catholics didn't want the Baptist to experience things. So we're going back.
Hindi ka man to ka-station dun.
Introduce mo yourself mo as Jen the Baptist.
Catholics are so repressive.
I'm Jen the Baptist. I didn't baptize Jesus. Baptist is also not my last name, but I am a Baptist. Kids always thought that John the Baptist was the whole name.
Yes, yung middle name.
Let the kids be.
Na, she is scared of plants.
I'm scared of spiders, not plants.
May portrait.
I just want to pan my view. Kaya awkward.
So guys, tapos namin kaon.
Pakatapos namin kumain. Here is tita.
Para mas
Thank you, good tita. Good tita.
Una kami tita, thank you din.
Salamat din.
Namit tapang niyo tita.
Dami pag-iniban ko.
Sige, mabalik. So guys, busog kami.
Hindi ka pala na si Jerome.
Sila na nasa bunga duwa ko niya, videographers.
Mga duwa ko niya.
Ay, bistang mo happy. Right yan? Right Jenny?
Yeah.
Right Juliana? Right Rome? Sige. Right Jel?
Stop kami anay because nalobat na ang DJI. No, in this Insta360, not yet. 70%. DJI keep up.
Kaya lang tsura ko, gumuna-muna. Simula lipat ko nga 360.
So, na-stop anay because, yeah. Yeah. So, yeah.
Wow. Hello guys. Guys, this is an official record niyan yan. It's 10103. Oh. This is ano? Highway to heaven. Okay, we're going to heaven. We're going to heaven. Are we going to heaven?
Palaping.
Are we going to heaven? No, it's not.
Hello people. It's only 12:40 and na-confuse kami tanan nga ari na kami sa Bacolod. Gi-expect kami mga 3 pa kami makaabot di or 4. Kay abi namon gabi na kami makapuli sa Iloilo.
How are we here sa Bacolod already?
Pero ko guys makapiright amon nga video. Sige lang siya play sa background. Hey guys, we're just driving around Bacolod. I want to go home na and get some sleep. Sheesh! Mega World Upper East, Lapuse East Center, McDonald's. Hala namin ilang McDo. Shit. Bala ma.
So, ari na ta sa bread comfort. Matabok na ta pa, Iloilo. Kaso, wala na ko energy.
Ang shit ang energy mo. Alin, sa Bacolod pa ka.
Hindi na bukid. Bored na sa.
Okay, bye-bye. Ay, tubig na mo.
Subong right now. Hala, first time ko ni vlog. Ang first appearance ko sa vlog, papuli na kami sa Linaw. Susubong pasulod kami sa Roro, Bacolod to Iloilo, Dumangasport. Nami Laport, Lapad,
Pero si
Damo
Jiro.
Barko. Pero na-concern ko kay Jerome kay wala pa di sa, he's not with us right now. Right now lang. We will be reuniting in a while. So man siya akong nga screen time. See you in Dumangas. Paano mag-pause? Paano mag-pause? Pause. Abi ko may...
Na si Jerome guys, balik abot ng mga barker nila di.
Nakabayad na mo? Nakabayad na mo siya? Kung tob lang tira mo, suwang mo ba?
Dini, di ko na makamang ko ako niya ba ipakad daw. Life update. Na kami sa barko, pabalik sa Dumangas.
What's up, bro? So, naamoy tubig. Oh, picture ka no?
Nakabos lang yan.
So guys, ari na kami sa Dumangas, Iloilo City. Kaon bang si Juliana.
Balik naman ta.
Hi guys, we have
Oh my gosh, dugay ko na.
arrived here sa Dumangas Port and yay! We're finally closer to our home. See you in a while when we go down, everyone. Roar! Kata ka sa balay nyo yun, baligan naka-edit.
So bali mga kabyan, naari kita subong sa may Dumangas Port. Pirte kadamo sa mga pasahero. Ara oh, makita nyo na. Nan. Dugang pasakon, kay Yan, kay Juliana, kay Jenny, kay Jelo. What's up?
Di pa hindi siya mag-ano, hindi siya may isa kabugat, mag-transfer sa isa ka file.
Touchdown! Iloilo! Woo!
Oh my God, we're home!
Going Kubay na kami guys.
And inig. Yay! We are almost there!
Diversion na kami guys.
We have bike lane at Cebu. Wala kayong ganito.
May ara, pero
may nagpa-park.
Why are we going slow? Ma-change lane.
Halala, katawa isang dalan.
Good luck. Turn back the time. Ah!
Yeah, alos.
Taga.
Uga uba-uba.
Takabala Jing.
Hindi pa na naka-close na.
Wala mo.
Duduan mo to nga si Jerome.
Madinay pa bla.
So guys, ginbilin kami niyan sa salakyan niya kay i-surprise si Anay, si Tita Glads sa pagpuli sa balay nila. Si pa special kay uli ko naog. Hi Tita Glads! Hi Tita! Hi Tita Glads!
Maulat nakita gali magibibi.
Ito dapat ma-park.
Dira lang ani. Maluto ko sinyo tali ka mo.
Sa loob lang mo to.
Yes, maluto si Tita Glads. Naidlaw kami sang may sabor nga pagkaon.
Kakapoy na kami magluto ta.
You've grown so big!
Ambok ang baby. Ambok ang baby. Ambok ang baby. Ambok. Nangyay siya sa excitement dito.
Hindi ko kangingin ako.
Si Dina!
Si Basil kalimpyo kay Basil.
Nadagdag ko sa tupad sa gini.
Uy.
Where's Kelly?
Hi, Curdy! Oh no, nalagyo si si Peppa sa kon. Peppa! Peppa!
Bakit si Lali last week pa. Pang-hide yung story niyo kay Daddy sa Kiaro.
Sorry, tita. Ginsugo lang kami niyan yan. We have arrived. Dumangihi kami yan.